Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2024 Buick Encore GX. It comes in 3 trim levels: Preferred, Sport Touring, and Avenir. I had the Avenir, top of the line. This is a small SUV, seats 5 passengers. Good luck on 6-footers in the second row. Exterior changes from last model year. It's got some new front-end styling on it, part of the 2020 original design. Exterior features: Nike slash lighting up front with a big lower grille. It really does look good, and it doesn't even look like an old Buick anymore. Sculpted sides with painted wheel opening moldings, which is really nice, not to have the black plastic moldings to highlight the wheel openings. I don't understand why they do that. High-mounted tail lights, but it's got also a big hatch and fake dual exhaust. Tractive wheels match the trim level. What I like, this is one sharp-looking little SUV. Don't you agree?
Mm-hmm. I thought so. I saw it out front. I thought it was very good looking. Yeah. And it's got that new Tri-Shield Buick logo on it, so it's something different.
Yep, it is. Interior highlights: huge instrument and infotainment screen stretches from driver to right above the center console. Overall, dash design is excellent with easy-to-find controls, premium materials throughout the cabin, comfortable ventilated faux leather seats. I couldn't tell the difference. It's certainly not like the Naga hides we used to have back in the day. Cargo and trunk room, folding second rear seat allows for more room than you'd think in this small SUV. What I liked, passive phone charger under the dash, out of the way for stowing. What could use improvement? Shifter on the center console takes up too much room. I'm not a big shifter in the middle unless it's a manual shifter. Why? Mm-hmm. It doesn't make any sense anymore. Push buttons or a dial or something.
The pleated seats look pretty cool.
Yes. 1.3 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine.
That seems to be
this is the
this
optional year. Upsize, by the way. Mm-hmm. 155 horsepower, 174 pound-feet of torque. Doesn't seem like a lot of horsepower. Well,
sufficient.
Got a CVT transmission. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle. Will tow up to 1,000 pounds, which is nothing. City miles per gallon 29, on the highway 31 for a combined of 30. I got 32 miles per gallon over 336.1 miles. What I liked, felt like plenty of power. What could use improvement? Give me some paddle shifters. Why not? I mean, what would that cost a manufacturer to put paddle shifters on?
Yeah, but to me, my head, paddle shifters and CVT just don't blend.
Well,
and 1.3.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that turbo, that's the beauty of a CVT. It'll get the turbo up in its power band and then adjust the transmission ratio to keep the turbo in its power band. So paddle shifters.
I'll be honest with you, I didn't even recognize the fact that it was a CVT. They've gotten pretty good at that.
Yep.
Ride and handling. Can be a little stiff on some Houston streets, great on the highway. What could use improvement? A little softer suspension, but not floaty. It just seems a little stiff in the back end.
Which is unusual for a
wheelbase.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, it is a small wheelbase. Base trim price, $31,900. Prices tested, $35,740.
Not bad.
Base model price, $25,600. I thought that was pretty good. Now, competitors, Chevy Trailblazer, $23,100. Honda HR-V, $24,000. Mazda CX-30, $24,900. And the Subaru Crosstrek Trek Mars, $24,995. Same price, exact same price as the Mazda. Isn't that funny? But anyway, those are the competitors. And that is the review of the Buick 2024 Encore GX Avenir front-wheel drive.
I like it.
Good
looking car.
It is. It truly is. And if you're in the market for something like that, you know what?